Okay, so this is the last thing. When you are finished with your patterns for your background and you've made your table, you're going to get a couple pieces of green paper. If you want to just get one, you can. And we're going to create some interesting textures on these. So what you're going to do is put these are called texture rubbing plates. You can use either side, put them underneath your green paper, and then you're going to get one of these containers. You'll just share one per table. These are crayons that have had the paper taken off of them. Use the flat side, and we did this a long time ago in kindergarten, and you get these interesting textures. And I like to fill up my whole paper just in case I want to make more than one leaf out of this paper. Now the neat thing about these two is you can use multiple colors. So I'm going to see what white looks like on this dark green paper. Can't really see it very well. But once I get a lot of those textures filled in with multiple colors, actually I can see that a little bit. That kind of is interesting. I might decide I want to use a different pattern. And I'm going to continue with this. This one's kind of interesting. I like that black. I'm not sure many colors are going to show up. That orange shows up a little bit. Again, you're not necessarily working on making it look like anything. I just want lots of that texture on there. Okay, so once you have that done, and you can do that, the color will show up a little bit more on your light green paper. But you just move the paper around on top of this. It kind of looks neat. On top of the little texture plate. And once you have that done, you're going to cut out a leaf. I'm going to let you guys decide how you want to draw your leaves. A basic leaf is going to just be two curved lines like that. Kind of looks like an eye. But you can make your leaf a little bit different. If you want it to have more of that, I guess kind of a heart shape, you can make them more curved like that, if you'd like that. And then you're going to cut those out. I drew it on the back so I didn't see the pencil part. Cut those out with your scissors. Probably don't need a lot more than 2 leaves. If you have a small leaf, you might need maybe 2 big ones and 2 small ones. You can overlap these. So once I have those cut out, you guys are going to add any more details that you want to your leaf. So those look really cool. But what I decided was I wanted to have some more details on my leaf. So I added like a line kind of in the middle. Can't see that very well. That looks good. And then some more details, kind of like a leaf would have. And you can decide if you want to have those, you can add those. You don't have to have those though. All right, so then once I have this all glued down, obviously if I finish my patterns, I'm gonna finish that, and then I can decide where I want to put these. Maybe I want them kind of up here. Maybe I want one up here, up here. You guys can kind of decide, maybe I want them behind I like that. And then when you're finished, it will have all the patterns, the leaves done, and you're completely finished. So this is going to be the last day for this.